This lesson is all about creating a good learning environment. So something we should always consider when learning is whether we have a good learning environment. This will be different for all learners, but includes considering learning location, learning position, background noise, organisation and resources. So when learning at home, we should find a location where there are minimum distractions and where we feel comfortable. This might involve sitting at a desk, but could also involve alternatives, like finding a space on the floor where we can lie on our bellies. One way to reduce distractions when we are learning is to make sure our learning environment is always tidy and well organised, with all the resources we might need readily available. Some people work best with silence, others work best with background music to keep them focused. With noise, as with all aspects of the learning environment, we should experiment to see what works for us and then apply this to ensure we maximise learning whenever we sit down or lie down to learn.